Oh. Oh.
That's disgusting.
Tomato?
Yeah,
It's orange!
I think there's tomatoes in there.
It's really good.
Ugh, gross.
I like want to keep this and finish it.
Making me disgusting.
It's delicious.
I'm getting nauseous staring at it.
Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here because I have a very special guest today, my husband CJ.
I'm back for the baby food challenge.
So the baby food challenge is basically where we have to try a bunch of different flavors of baby food in a blind taste test, so we don't know what flavors are in these. We can only like see the color and smell it and taste it, and whoever guesses more of the right flavor wins.
It's gonna be bad.
If you guys saw my pregnancy announcement video either on social media or my biggest secret ever video here on YouTube, you guys know I'm pregnant. We're having a baby girl.
Super pumped.
Super excited, our first baby after a 3-year struggle with infertility and IVF. I'll leave the link if you guys want to see the full video for that. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. And now that the gender reveal is out and you guys know we're having a baby girl, we are having so much trouble with names.
Yeah.
Like,
a lot of trouble.
like, we cannot think of a name. So if you guys have any little baby girl name suggestions, leave a comment down below. Let us know.
Yeah, at this point there are no bad ideas.
Yeah, we're open to anything. So leave us a comment, best baby girl names. So today we're gonna get our first little taste, literally, of baby life with some assortment of baby foods. I've never had baby food before.
I mean, not that I can remember. I'm sure I did have
Oh, I
baby
mean,
food.
like,
I'm sure you
yeah.
did too.
I'm sure we had baby food. I've never had baby food as an adult that I could remember, but I feel like, I don't know, we both like applesauce.
Yeah, none of these really look like applesauce to me.
But
So.
I don't know, I feel like I have high hopes. I feel like they could be good.
Yeah, well let's dig in here.
Okay, let's dig in. The first one's green, so might not be the best one to start with, but here is nothing.
Number 1. Ooh, looks disgusting. Oh, and it smells worse.
Oh my god!
What is that? I know what it is already.
It's organic. You do?
Yeah, I know what it is.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Oh, it's not at all what I thought it was.
It smelled like peas or something,
I
didn't
thought
it?
it was peas for sure.
Yeah, it smells like peas, but it tastes like really sweet. Mmm.
Oh no.
Oh my god, I really like it.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's good! Why are you making that face? It smells horrendous. It looks disgusting. I think it's good. Okay.
I thought for sure it was peas, and then we tasted it. It was like sugar peas. I have no idea what it is.
Okay.
Peas and pineapple or something.
Yeah, it has like something sweet to it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Apple spinach.
Yeah. Spinach apple.
Okay, let's see what it is. Apple spinach with kale! Oh my god, we were so close!
Yeah.
Wait, so we both missed the kale, but we both got apple spinach.
Yep.
So, I say we both get half a point.
Half point.
We'll put it in the middle.
I'll take it.
It really tastes like applesauce. I thought it was delicious.
I'm surprised. I thought it was peas for sure.
Good, the second one. You wanna open it?
Okay.
This one is like a bright orange.
It's orange. So off the just look of it, looks like carrots.
Yeah. Like,
Yeah.
it smells like carrots.
It's carrot something for sure.
Oh, it's like so watery.
Okay, I think I know what it is.
You do?
Oh, I don't want any more. Yeah.
Actually, it tastes like something from Thanksgiving.
Really?
Okay, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Believe.
1, 2, 3. Carrot, sweet
tomato.
potato. Tomato?
Yeah,
It's orange.
I think there's tomatoes in there.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it was carrot sweet. It tasted like watered down sweet potatoes.
This is gross.
Yeah, that was not good. This is
Just
sweet carrots. not sweet. The apple one was way sweeter. Okay, so neither of us get a point for that. Okay, next one. Do the honors. Oh, this one's little. Why is this? Ew, why is it smaller than the other ones? I don't know. Oh, why is it so watery?
I like shake this one first.
Yeah, shake it.
Oh, now it's super chunky.
Ew, ew.
Oh, I know what this is. It's
Oh my god.
so nasty.
That smells like cat food.
It's tuna.
That smells legit like cat food.
I don't want to eat that. I like really don't want to eat it.
Oh. Oh.
That's disgusting.
Oh my god. The texture?
It's gross.
What is the texture like?
I can't even describe it.
Like
Gross.
you put meat in a blender with water and it's like, ugh.
It's like,
It smells tuna-y, but it tastes like ground up
it's disgusting.
meat.
All right, let's figure out. What's your guess?
I don't know. Do you know?
I got one guess.
It doesn't taste like tuna though.
Yeah, that tastes disgusting.
It's not fish. Okay, ready?
Alright.
1, 2, 3. Turkey.
Salty chicken. I have no idea. It's disgusting.
To be honest. Yeah, it's definitely like turkey or chicken for sure. Oh,
I thought it was tuna.
what is it?
Turkey and turkey broth.
Oh, it is turkey.
Yeah.
Oh,
Disgusting.
one for me.
Ugh.
Yeah, that was truly the.
All right,
Okay, next.
on to the next one. Here we go. This one is a very dark brown greenish color.
Green. It's like
Maybe it's not the calf.
maroon.
Okay.
Oh no,
Ooh.
it's like
It's dirty.
brown. Like
slime.
it's like. Yeah, smell it.
I have an idea of what it is. Do I need to taste it to give you?
Yes. I think I'll like this. I know what this is, and I'm such a weirdo for liking this because I'm an 80-year-old woman.
Yeah, that is good. All right, I got my guess.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Prunes.
For sure.
Give me the cap. I really like prunes and raisins.
Dried fruit.
I really like prunes though. I feel like not a lot of adults under the age of 80 like prunes. Prunes!
Straight up prunes.
Whoop whoop. Okay, next one.
All right.
Yellow.
I should shake it.
Oh yeah, shake it for sure. That pop sound now is like triggering, like, ugh.
This is not good stuff. Okay, here, what do we got here? We have this bright yellow.
Bright yellow.
Okay, I got an idea of what it is.
Very subtle flavor. You do?
Yeah. These are not good.
You know what this is?
Yeah, I know what it is.
Do you think it's like a combined thing, or do you think it's just like one thing?
Only use one thing.
Okay, then I think I know what it is. But I feel like that's not nutritious enough. I feel like they're gonna add something to it. Okay,
Nah.
ready? 1, 2, 3.
Butternut
Corn.
squash.
Oh, dang it, you're probably right. I was like, it can't just be corn. This is like opening Christmas presents. Oh, corn and sweet potato.
What? I thought for sure that was butternut
It
squash.
smelled like corn and it tastes like corn. But then you said butternut squash and I was like, oh yeah, you probably tasted like the sweet potato. I feel like it would have been more orange though. So I get half a point for corn.
It just reminded me of butternut squash soup.
Yeah, a little bit, but gritty and watery.
Ugh.
Okay, 2 left. Another green. Oh, but the first green was really good. Well,
In your opinion.
I thought it was really good. It tasted like applesauce. Like I would finish that. And it's organic.
Gross. This one is green.
This is like baby poo green though, not like lettuce, like spinach green.
You can smell that one.
Mm.
My God.
It's like making me nauseous a little bit.
Anxiety about eating this right now. I know it's gonna taste terrible.
Do you know what it is?
No.
Oh, I know what it is.
Ew.
Oh my God, I'm surprised. I thought you might like it. I know what it is. You took like I just licked the back of the spoon. You like go in for like a serving of it.
Trying to figure out what it is. I don't want to lose the game, and I'm clearly losing already.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Kale and
Peas.
spinach.
What?
I don't know. It's
Okay,
green
open.
and it's gross.
Kale and spinach?
Yeah.
I thought it tasted like peas, smelled like peas.
I thought the first one tasted like, or smelled like peas at least.
What?
We can wrap it up.
Well, they did a good job wrapping these.
Yeah. It is just green beans.
Oh, it totally tastes like green beans. Now that right? Now that you know what it is.
It doesn't taste, no, it does taste like green beans.
Oh, really? I think it does for sure.
It tastes like garbage.
Now that they said green beans, I'm like, okay.
All right, last one. Here we go.
Oh God, it's the color of the turkey. Is it?
It has a pinkish hue.
Okay, it has a pinkish hue. That turkey was by far the worst.
I did not think that you were gonna taste this bad.
Did you like any of them?
No.
I really liked the apple, spinach, and kale. Like I would.
Oh,
Oh my God.
what? The consistency of this is disgusting.
It looks like.
It's not moving. It's like cold gravy.
Mayonnaise. No, doesn't look like mayonnaise.
It's like cold pink
I'm
gravy.
feeling nauseous. Okay. Does it smell any better?
It smells better than it looks. I have a vague idea of what I think it's
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, it smells really good.
Well, about really good.
Oh, smell it again.
I think I've smelled it. Good.
Oh, I'm really actually excited about this one. It's like dessert. It smells like a parfait.
You are excited about this one.
Let's taste it at the same time. It's like the consistency of like just dirty mayonnaise. Mmm.
That's the best tasting one so far,
Wait.
for sure.
Wait, with the aftertaste. It's like really sweet, and then there's like this aftertaste
Yeah.
that I'm not crazy about.
I'm not going back in for more.
Oh,
Okay, you ready with your guess?
I know what it is. It's two things.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. All right.
1, 2, 3.
Strawberry banana.
Yeah,
sure.
for sure. It's like sweet strawberry, and then you get the aftertaste of the banana, but it's like not delicious banana. I love, yeah, strawberry banana.
There it is.
Whoop whoop. CJ got 1, 2.5 points, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4 points.
4.5.
Thank you. Da 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 da. Rain confetti, rain confetti. The winner. I love winning my own challenges.
You can take this
Good
one
job,
all day
babe.
long.
You were a good sport. I legit like loved the apple, spinach, and kale. Gerber, spot on with this one. Like I would seriously finish this.
Oh no.
It's really good.
No. Come on.
If you guys like this video, make sure to tap the thumbs up button and then go check out our other baby related challenge videos. The video where we reveal to our friends for the first time that we're pregnant.
That's a cool one.
Yeah, we get all their reactions on camera. So if you guys love this video, you're gonna love those too. Thank you guys so much for watching and leaving me comments. You're seriously the best. I love you so much. So does he.
Totally.
Shine on, babes, and we'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
You sure you don't want another bite?
No.
Organic apples, organic spinach, organic kale, vitamin C. That's all that's in this. This isn't bad for a baby. It's like healthy. All right, that was it. We're done.
All right.
Yay, baby.
Go get some real food.
Yeah, let's go to lunch. Hi Hi guys, we have a really fun video on my YouTube channel today. Special guest.
Hello.
We're doing the
Baby
Food
Food
Challenge. Kind of excited, kind of nervous.
Kind of hungry.
Swipe up to check out the video.